Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Dream Cars. The Toyota Celica, once a beloved nameplate known for its sporty appeal, handling prowess and cutting-edge design, is making a comeback in 2026 with a modern twist. The new Celica problems its in less. A closer look at what makes the 2026 Toyota Celica one of the most anticipated cars of the decade. First introduced in 1917, the Toyota Celica was originated compact sports car designed to compete with the likes of the Ford Mustang. Over the years it evolved from a simple affordable sporty coupe to a rally-inspired performance machine. After a hiatus, has decided to reintroduce the Celica nameplate, but with a fresh modern approach that draws on the best elements of its heritage. Performance in powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Celica features a range of powertrains to be powered by engine that delivers around 250 horsepower. Drain is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission with an optional CVT for those who prefer automatic shifting. For performance enthusiasts, Toyota will offer a Celica GR Sport variant equipped with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing around 300 horsepower. This version will be aimed at those who desire a more aggressive driving experience similar to the high-performance GR Supra cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Celica isn't just about performance, it also embraces the latest in technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Drivers can expect a fully digital dashboard with customizable displays to monitor vehicle stats in real time. Toyota is also incorporating its Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency. These technologies ensure that the new Celica isn't just thrilling to drive but also safe and reliable handling and driving experience. The 2026 Celica features an all-new platform that promises to deliver exceptional driving dynamics. The car's rear-wheel drive layout ensures balanced handling, while the independent suspension system allows for a smooth yet responsive ride with a lower center of gravity and improved chassis rigidity. The new Celica will deliver the kind of driving experience enthusiasts have come to expect from Toyota's performance lineup. Whether you're carving corners on winding roads or taking it for a spirited drive on the track, the 2026 Celica is engineered to deliver maximum driving pleasure. Eco-friendly hybrid and electrical hybrid variant will feature a combination of an electric motor and a turbocharged 1.6. The 20 with sporty touches in high-quality materials throughout the cabin is expected to feature premium sporty steering wheel and bucket-style seating. Spirited drives. While the car is compact, it still offers enough space for 2 passengers, ensuring comfort on longer trips. Expect plenty of smart storage spaces, advanced climate control, and ambient lighting to make the Silicon not only fun to drive but also a pleasant place to spend time. To announce the official pricing for the 2026 Celica, but it is expected to be in the range of $30,000 to $40,000 depending on the model and trim. The Celica GR Sport variant may see a higher price tag due to its added performance features. As for the release date, the 2026 Toyota Celica is expected to hit dealerships in mid-2026, with pre-orders likely to open earlier in the year. The 2026 Toyota Celica is shaping up to be one of the most exciting cars today in the next few years. Asked with cutting-edge performance and design, the new Celica will undoubtedly capture the hearts of car enthusiasts and Toyota fans alike. Whether you're a seasoned driver looking for thrills or a new car buyer craving style and excitement, the 2026 Toyota Celica is set to make waves with its return, reimagining the iconic sports car for the modern era. This new model combines sleek dynamic design with cutting-edge technology and exhilarating performance. The 2026 Celica features a bold, aggressive exterior, incorporating sharp lines and a refined aerodynamic profile that ensures it stands out on the road. Inside, it offers a driver-focused cockpit with state-of-the-art infotainment systems, premium materials, and advanced safety features. The 2026 Celica promises an impressive driving experience, with powerful engine options designed to deliver thrilling performance on both the streets and the track. Enhanced handling, precision steering, and an upgraded suspension system ensure a smooth yet responsive ride. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or a fan of Toyota's legendary engineering, the 2026 Celica is a must-see for anyone looking for a blend of style, power, and innovation. The 2026 Celica offers something for everyone. The legend is back and it's better than ever. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like, share, and please subscribe to our channel Dream Cars, and see you in the road.